guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to make a nice breakfast. Alright, so we're gonna do festivals and fry up sausage. Now don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. For this recipe you're going to need, let's start with the festivals first. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And we have here 2 cups of flour. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of cornmeal. I'm using the coarse one. If you have the smooth one, go right ahead and do it. We're going to add in some salt. All right, we're adding in also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine all your ingredients. Going in with your clean hands, I want you to blend the butter with the flour. Do is just pinch the butter into the flour. The consistency that you're going for, guys, it's supposed to look like a breadcrumb. Alright, so after you combine the cornmeal, the sugar and the butter, it's gonna look like that. We're gonna form the dough now with some milk. And at this point you can use any nut milk of your choice. You want just enough milk to just combine the mixture. We're not going for a soft dough, alright? Okay guys, the texture that we're going for is a nice smooth dough. Alright, so we're gonna rest this as usual. Gonna rest it for 15 minutes. Overnight is even better. I have a video of the dough that I rest overnight in my playlist. You can check that one out as well. Alright, so we're gonna rest this and start with the sausage. Now guys, this is the same sausage I used from in my pizza video. How did you like that one if you watched it? Alright, so we're gonna just slice them up. And guys, with this sausage, like, it's the first time I'm trying it and it wasn't so bad, honestly. I tried it on the pizza, tasted relatively good. So you can try it as well if you find it in your country or the supermarket. Alright, so we're gonna just put these back and get the seasoning ready. Let me just give the board a quick clean off. Gonna use some sweet peppers. And of course, can't leave out the good old Scotch bonnet pepper. No, we just want to use the skin and not the seed, alright? Because remember, it's breakfast and we're going to give this to children. Or you can just leave it out overall. But my son don't mind pepper. Alright guys, with no particular way, I just always roll out all my doughs in a ball like that, just in my hand, and put them down. so when I'm frying them it's easier. So to roll the dough, guys, you can either prevent sticking by coating the dough with a little bit of flour, and you just hold it in your hand like that and roll it. So while you roll, that little fine part there is that your thumb is gonna do that. Alright? You turn it around and you roll. Alright? Just like this. A perfect festival dough. Do the same for this one. And you, of course, you would repeat the process with all of them. Alright, so we're going to start frying now. Of course, preheat your oil until you see some bubbles coming up. You can, if you don't have a thermometer, you can use the bubbles as a check, or you can just put a tester in there to see if the oil is okay. Alright, so we're going to go right in now with our festivals. And when you're putting in your festivals, to prevent splashing and burning, put it away from you. Just like that. So easy. And somebody asked a question, how you know when your dumplings are thoroughly fried. Alright, you can use this, how to know. You can either when you get them golden brown, or when you see the cracks start to crack the dumpling, then you know that the gases are expanding, the baking powder is expanding, and so you know that the oil is penetrating the dough. Okay, we're down to the last of our festivals. So same procedure, put them away from you and fry them. Now guys, you want to remember to fry your festivals at medium to low heat. One of the reasons why I suggest that is because you don't want to fry the festivals on the outer layer too quickly, and the oil won't penetrate the inside. Alright, so you want to just fry it on medium to low heat. Of course, you want to also drain them on a paper towel or a cooling rack. The festivals before these that I did earlier, guys, we did not use any milk. So if it's that you don't want to use any milk in your festival but still want to fry festivals, you can check that video out as well. Alright guys, I want to show you how soft and nice it is. Boy, me can't fry dumpling without eating them, guys. So see how nice it is? Nice and airy. That's what you want in your festivals, alright? Alright guys, we're gonna saute the onions. Now I'm just using the same oil, guys. I'm not gonna go and use any other hot and business right now. Going in with everything. I'm sure when everybody hear this man and smell it, they want to come for breakfast immediately, guys. We can allow these to just cook out for a little. Okay guys, so at this time you can go in now with your sausage. to put that down a little. Of course, you want to go in with some black pepper. And some salt to taste, alright? I kind of move them constantly because I don't want them to stick to the bottom of the pot, alright? Alright guys, we're going to go in now with some ketchup. I'd added a little water to it. There you have it guys, our cook up sausage with festival perfect breakfast recipe. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. We don't